We're going to look at a strange phenomena that has been happening that I've come across. When I position the stone lightly touching the edge of the container and listened for the sound of the gas coming in to the container, it changes when I move my hand close to the outside of the container. And hopefully the camera can pick it up. There's even a change in the way that the bubbles look, and I can hear it in the main machine as well. Our body being positively charged and that water negatively charged, we have a strong charge separation there. This is related to the exclusion zone effect that we get with this same container. Some dynamics that we don't fully understand but are quite interesting. Sometimes moving my hand around it almost is like a musical instrument. Hope that picking up. Alright, thank you for watching.